Oh, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And I just got this product from Motovlog, so I ordered some stuff from them. So let you guys see. Let's do the unboxing. Let's open it from this package. It's really nice, man. I need some scissors. So I hope you guys are doing well during this COVID-19 times. So the delivery was done really quick, man. It came really fast. So I ordered for nice. So I ordered this oil filter, high flow, for my Zenee, and got some stickers, nice, and also a rubber cement for repairing tire. That's about it. Stop there, I guess. So anyways, I'll see you on the bike. A brief introduction to this video, because this video was shot during lockdown, and it was shot just after partial lockdown was introduced by our government. So this is basically about that, me going to office and then coming back home. Just wanted to tell you guys that this video is shot during the lockdown period, and with permission, of course. I rode my bike, so enjoy the video. This is how it looks like. Okay, so we're gonna take out some money, baby. Take it out, super cash. So let her go first. She's an elder. So anyways, guys, welcome back to the channel. And still lockdown going on, and the reason for which I'm out is because I have office to attend, my duty to cover. So I'm just gonna drop office and stay there for a while. Let's see what's gonna happen. So right now I'm just taking out some cash in case if I need it. You did not enter your PIN correct. It happens to me. I think it happens to everyone. If you don't use your card for a pretty long time, this is ready. Sanitizer is ready, man. Yep, got it. Thank you. ज़्यादा पैसा निकालो हुँदैन. ज़्यादा पैसा निकालोगे तो जल्दी खत्म हो जाएगा ना भाई. हुन्छ जाँदा. So now we're gonna head towards office. So this is the lockdown period. It's just that I'm going to office. Woo! Feels so nice to ride my bike, baby. मजा आ रहा है भाई, मजा. इतने दिनों बाद बाइक चलाने में. और बताओ, वाह क्या मजा आ रहा है. वो हम ऑफिस जा रहे हैं, और डोंट वरी, हमारे पास परमिशन है ऑफिस जाने के लिए. होप पानी नहीं गिरेगा रे भाई. देखो भाई, देखो पूरा कैसा हो गया रे, गंदा. हाँ, पिस्टन राइडर का घर आ गया रे भाई. सफाई हो रहा है, सफाई. पानी पऱ्यो. उयो आउँदैछ अब. Okay. Okay, it's gonna rain. Pani panu athyo. Okay, so leaving from the workshop. Oh man, pani. Right. Oh man, it is ready. So anyways guys, आप लोगों को ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक कर दें, एक बड़ा सा लाइक ठोक दें. So I'll see you in the next one. Oh man, आज भिज्दै भयो. GT can move out.